Hey guys, welcome back. Let's create wavy text in Adobe Illustrator, a designing program so that you can have a variety of typography for your artworks, designs, or anything like that. So once you've created the text, click on the text, and then click on Object, and then head over to Envelope, Distort, and then click on Make with Mesh. Make sure that the number of columns is set to 1 and then the number of rows to 6, and then click on OK. And then click on this one and then select these lines. Hold the shift key to select the lines. Make sure that the distance between the lines is like one line away from each other, and then afterwards you simply drag it just like this. Ooh, wavy. Now your text is wavy. Adjust the waviness as you like. Just like this. Fancy, isn't it? And that's how you can create wavy text in Adobe Illustrator. Pretty easy and fast too. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao.